It's already bad, and I got. All right, y'all. I want to show you guys my grocery haul. Right? Isn't that cute? That, y'all. Ooh, look at that. We are having a bad winter storm. It has already started. Let me show you guys. It's already bad, and I got to get out here in this. Get off early today. So I'll be going to that grocery store, and then I'll be coming straight home. All right, y'all. I want to show you guys my grocery haul right fast from Aldi. So I got some provolone cheese, Swiss variety pack. They have the raspberries, black and regular raspberries, baby spinach, peppers, Pop-Tart, strawberry, cherries, and garlic, pasta sauce, some barbecue sauce, pure avocado oil, 2 dozen of eggs, pickles, vanilla yogurt, some Splash, the tropical blend, 30% apple juice, sour cream, cheddar and sour cream ridges, potatoes, original Clancy's veggie straws, packs of chocolate chip cookie mix, some granola, raisin, cinnamon raisin, granola, Brussels sprout, 2 broccoli, garlic powder, steak seasoning, pepper, of shrimp, beef hot dogs, corned beef for tomorrow's playoff game. I'm gonna make some corned beef sliders, guys. Be looking out for that video. It's gonna be awesome. Fries. So that is it on my haul, guys. I'm gonna clean this fridge out. I'm about to clean my fridge and put all this food up. So guys, I'm just gonna wipe this out a little bit. Everything is clean. My table is back clean. Everything is nice and clean. Beer, waters, juices, milk. Alright guys, that is it. Appreciate you guys so much. Oh, it's been a long day. The snow out there got me tired. Alright y'all, I'm about to make me a glass of wine. And I am going to spruce it up a little bit, so we are going to get started. I am drinking pink pineapple gallo. And I'm just pouring me some wine in here. Not that much because I want to garnish. And these are filled with water. Nice and hard. So I'm gonna put 2 in there, fruit in there, blackberry, maybe 1 more. Okay, isn't that cute? A nice hot bath. I'm up doing my skincare, doing a little something to my head. brushing my teeth. So let's do some self-care this morning. It is Saturday, the beginning of playoff season. Yeah. Let's brush our teeth. Wash our face. It's a lazy day. Snowing like crazy. So yeah. Kick snorer, face scrubber, my Dr. Wellness. Oh, it feels so good, y'all. And it just comes in two, and I just go across. Couple of squeezes of styling foam. Don't take much for my hair. It's not that long. Morning, y'all. How y'all doing? This is my outfit of the day. You know the Packers playing today. Okay, we gotta support. Let me move my light over. One more. All right, y'all. This party started. I posted these cool beats on. So today, I will be using beautiful. Put on his Green Bay Packers slow cooker, but child, that's packed up, honey. Yes. These sandwiches are gonna be so good. And then I told you guys I got this bread brioche. As well as some provolone Swiss. Onions, peppers in here. Also, putting some garlic. I'm also adding some avocado oil, a nice amount, red pepper flakes. I have to. We just nice amount of cheese. Alright, y'all. My onions and peppers for the sandwiches. And let's put all of these in there. That corned beef gonna be good, y'all. Alright, the Brussels sprouts are done. They are nice. Alright, y'all, I'm about to fry these French fries. Alright, they ready, y'all. Let me take them out. Look at that melted cheese. Oh my God, do y'all see that? Look at that. Look. Oh.